Hello everybody, I'm Avery. This is YouTube Tutorials. In today's video, what I got for you is I'm going to be telling you how to add hashtags to your YouTube videos. Now, you got two ways that you can add hashtags to your YouTube videos. So they'll show up in your title, or they'll show up either above or below your title. That will depend upon where you're looking at it. If you're looking at it on the YouTube app on your phone, then the hashtags show up below. If you're on PC, you're on a Mac or something like that, then the hashtags will show up above the title. So as far as adding hashtags to YouTube, and I'm saying the whole title again, I might be saying a couple, keywords here and there, YouTube with hashtags for YouTube. I'm throwing that out because YouTube may or may not be using the words that I'm talking right now to generate a new type of SEO that'll help with the search for YouTube. So, if I throw out a couple more keywords and things of that nature, you'll know that that's why I'm doing it. All right, hashtags for YouTube, hashtags on YouTube, how to add hashtags to YouTube. But let me go ahead and actually show you how to add hashtags to YouTube. You gotta get one more in there. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go on Creator Studio, which you can see that I'm on right now. Next thing I wanna do is pick a video. So I'm going to content, and the next thing I'm gonna do is pick a video. I'm just gonna pick a random one. Most of these videos already have hashtags on them. Now you can see that I'm gonna go down below and right into my video's description. You can see I have 3 hashtags right here. So if I was to go to play on YouTube, you can see that I have my hashtags above my title right here. And that is because I'm on PC. Now, if I was to go back and I wanted to add a hashtag into the title, all I would do is put it into the title right here. So with that being said, I'm going to take this hashtag, copy it, and I'm going to delete it from here, which is the description, and I'm going to add it into the video title all the way at the end, and I'm going to paste it right there, and then I'm going to save. And now I'm going to do the same thing, which is view on YouTube, which I can go here, but since I already have this one up on this tab, I'm going to go ahead and just refresh this page. And you can see now I have one right here which says YouTube Tutorials, and you can also see that I have my other hashtags gone. They do not show up. So you can also know that either you're going to have hashtags into your title, which will show up, or you're going to have hashtags into your video description, which is going to show up, but you can't have both. As far as the limitations on YouTube, you're only allowed to have 3 hashtags on any specific video. So it's nothing like having 30 maximum hashtags on Twitter or Facebook and Instagram. So make sure that you keep it simple. And honestly, that's it. That's all you need to learn to be able to do hashtags on YouTube. Do one more in there. So hopefully you like the video. Hopefully, these keywords that I keep talking about in the video helps me get seen a little more. I can look at this as research for a new video. So if this just so happens to work, then I can add a brand new video to the channel and let y'all know about how my research went with this particular strategy. So with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, why don't you go ahead and like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out from me. Make new videos every week. Thanks for watching.